What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I am happy to announce that we have finally hit 40 patrons, which means I am finally going to be able to open this up to give away to anybody who is watching the channel. You don't have to have been a patron or a subscriber at all. You just basically need to be paying attention at the time of this video. So, the first thing I want to say is thank you again, Mr. Jeff Goodnow, for donating this beautiful knife to the channel for me to give away. That's extremely generous. And also, thank you to every patron, number 1 through number 40, who has decided to help me out and help support this channel. I really, really appreciate that. And thank you to all of my viewers who helped me grow the channel. I mean, everybody who is interacting with this channel in any way, shape, or form is interacting. Even if you're just watching 1 or 2 videos a week, or just 1 video ever, you know, you're helping everybody who's interacting. So thank you so much. I was kind of hoping that I'd be able to do this on a Saturday so that everybody would know, but you know, hopefully everybody gets the notification for this video. Basically, you know, I'm not going to do anything crazy, or I'm going to do this the same way that I always do. I just want you to leave a comment in the comment section. You can say whatever you want. Just make sure you only leave 1 comment. I'd kind of like to know, you know, I guess, you know, your favorite knife for 2019. I think I've probably done that before, but I'm always interested to see what everybody likes. You know, I kind of like to look for models that I've never heard of, and this is a good way to do it. So just leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite knife of 2019 is. It doesn't matter if it's a fixed blade or a folding knife, whatever. That's totally fine. Also, you know, I appreciate everybody's support. You know, if you wanted to keep your support limited and only help me out for a certain amount of time or until I was able to give this knife away, that's totally fine. But I will have another giveaway planned, incentivized probably at the 60 patron mark, something like that. I'll give more details about it, but I've got some other stuff ready to give away, and I'm going to move up to the next level. So just wanted to make that known. If you are not currently subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check all that stuff out. And like I said, if you enjoy this content, you know, please subscribe, because I do like to give things away. I do like to basically provide constant content that is any and all things that have to do with folding knives and EDC gear. So anyways, if you want to win this knife, like I said, leave a comment below. It'll be, I didn't add this in, but you'll have 1 week. So we'll do the drawing on Saturday. That's Saturday, 1 week from today. I'll do another video drawing the winner, and we'll kind of do the random number generator thing. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and have a great day.